So in this video, I want to show you how to add and use filters in Google Sheets. I want to add a filter to this data. What I normally do is I hit Control A to select all my data. Then I go to Data and create a filter. What that does is add these little filters to my headers. And if I click on one of those filters, you can see I'm able to do a lot of different things. I can sort A to Z, Z to A. I can sort by color. I can filter by color. I can filter by a condition, and I'll show you an example of that. I can filter by values, a lot of different options. But what I want to do is I want to filter my salary by a condition. So I'm going to select filter by condition, and what I want is I want to see the data filtered by salaries that are greater than $40,000. And when I do that, hit OK, my data is sorted, so I only see data for employees and departments based on salaries that are greater than $40,000. That's one thing you can do. Also, we can filter by color. We have light blue. Click on that, and now any cell that has light blue in the salaries column, we filtered it by that. Clear that out. Now use any one of these filters we want, but the issue would arrive if you have multiple people working within the same spreadsheet, looking at the same data. Like, how can I filter this data to see only what I want to see without affecting someone else that's looking at the same data? The way you can do that is by using filter views. To do a filter view, you go to Data, click on Create a Filter View, and what I can do now is filter this data based on anything. Let's say I want to see only the accountants. I filter that data. I can also save this view so that when I click save, I can call it whatever. I'm just going to call it accountant. When I save this view, it doesn't affect the original data. These positions, this data is saved, and I can view it. If there's someone else working within this spreadsheet, they won't see this. I can X out of this. It doesn't affect this original data. If I want to pull up that filter view, I can go here where it says change view and see that view of the accountants that I have had saved here. Someone else working in the spreadsheet won't see that. It won't affect the data for them at all. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe for more tips like this.